Boris Sanchez is out front in Surfside tonight. And so, Boris, what more are you learning about what could have led to this unacceptable event, this collapse?
Well, Erin, the exact cause of the collapse remains a mystery. In fact, experts tell us that it could have been a combination of different factors that ultimately led to the tower coming down. Despite that, we are learning that there are mounting signs, red flags, that were potentially underappreciated or perhaps even ignored by building officials. We should also point out, for the first time, we are hearing dispatch audio, the conversations that rescue workers were having as the unthinkable unfolded.
The building does not look stable. Of course, the building that's left, we still have people standing upstairs that don't need to be evacuated.
As families brace for news about their loved ones tonight, new details emerging about structural decay inside Champlain Towers South. In a letter first obtained by CNN's Erin Burnett Outfront, the condo board's president estimating the building needed $15 million in repairs, telling residents in April, quote, "The concrete deterioration is accelerating. The roof situation got much worse, so extensive roof repairs had to be incorporated." Adding, the observable damage, such as in the garage, has gotten significantly worse since the initial inspection. That initial inspection, a 2018 survey completed by a consulting company outlining major structural damage, including significant corrosion and cracking beneath the pool and entrance drive. The area below the pool drawing scrutiny, as these photos obtained Monday by the Miami Herald, taken below the pool deck 2 days before collapse, showing damaged concrete and standing water. Notably, according to the New York Times, in 2015, building management settled a lawsuit alleging water frequently seeped in through the structure's outer walls. By 2021, board president Gene Wodnicki telling residents that new problems had been identified and warning that rebar holding portions of concrete together was rusting and deteriorating beneath the surface.
That was a total alarm going off that something needed to be done on an emergency basis. And conversations that we're having with victims is that they were told it's not such a big deal, everything's fine, we can put it off. So, people didn't take these warnings seriously. And now we see the results, and it's devastating.
Attorney Adam Schwartzbaum filed a new class action lawsuit on behalf of residents, at least the third lawsuit filed against the building's management. His grandparents also lived in Champlain Towers South for 3 decades and voiced concerns about water leaking into the garage more than 10 years ago.
So we're talking about decades of people raising serious issues about water intrusion, about problems with the building, and the condo association sitting on their hands and waiting and waiting until it was too late to do something about it.
Erin, officials have vowed that the investigation into the collapse will be thorough and extensive. And case in point, the mayor of Miami-Dade County, Daniela Levine Cava, supporting a push by the state attorney in the county to essentially impanel a grand jury to investigate the causes of the collapse.